Am I supposed to? Okay. Love. Love, 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 love.
Sex.
Love, 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 love.
Sex.
The sun don't shine when I'm alone. I lose my mind and I lose control. I see your eyes look through my soul. Don't be surprised, that's all I know.
Slackliners undoubtedly get asked the same questions over and over. How long have you been doing this? Have you seen Man on Wire? Can you do a backflip? A more thought-provoking question I've been asked recently is, why do you do this? Other versions of the same I've realized include, are you practicing for something? Or even, are you part of this circus? So really, why do I do this?
In 44 feet, continue straight.
Baby, you were everything I ever wanted. Bought a wedding ring, it's in my pocket. Planned to ask the other day, knew you'd run away, so I guess I just forgot it. Remember when you went away to college? I was on the phone, we ended up talking. Past, present, future, all the gossip. Goddamn.
Maturity is a hugely misunderstood attribute. It has little to do with age and is more defined by personal development. Undergoing and appreciating change is key for improvement, but it doesn't necessarily mean you need to lose parts of you in the process. Maturity certainly doesn't mean you need to stop playing. Play takes many forms, so find yours and stick with it. Even better, free your mind to find the playground around you. These moments are the building blocks of life. This one's gritty, sandy, and live.
Go straight to voicemail. Well, I'm the jealous type, but I swear that ass would have.
Let go of whatever is holding you back and make something beautiful.
It's my only chance, I better get it right. Take your time, my baby. It's all waiting for you, for you. I know I made your mind go crazy, but it's not waiting right here for you, for you.
Time can be painfully mysterious. There's nearly no certainty in anything. So it really begs the question, what are we doing with our time? I think so many of us are looking to find this elusive place of happiness, somewhere over the rainbow. The legendary Keanu Reeves was asked one time, what do you think happens when we die? A simple answer. Those that still love us will miss us. So one more time, why do I do this?
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Ooh, yeah. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where fly, birds fly over the rainbow so wide, then oh why can't I?